Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact First Horizon Bank customer service. In order to contact First Horizon Bank customer service, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type on firsthorizon.com and enter it. And once you get inside this home page, in the top right corner there's the support icon, select that. And from the support, scroll a bit down over here. You can also contact us. If you need any frequently asked question, you can get answers over here, select that. And over here, scroll a bit down. If you need frequently asked question about general banking, digital and mobile banking, you can simply select this learn more. And over here, you can also search on this page. You can search any questions here. You might get the relatable issues here. And if this issue is relatable, you can simply click here. And after that, you can scroll a bit down here. And over here, you'll get this representative call. You can simply ask for a general customer service by calling this number. And before contacting customer service, make sure you have your account or card information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.